Christmas is right behind the corner, and what's better than hot drinks next to the fire pit? And today I'm gonna show you 3 of my favorite hot Christmas cocktails. Let's start with the Christmas spiced hot chocolate. Hot classic drink with a little booze, make it perfect for any winter day. We're gonna add 2 ounces of Baileys. You can choose another flavor like a churros, Baileys cream cookie, whatever, but this is the classic recipe. Add hot chocolate. Add 3 ounces of hot milk. You can use one of this to mix everything together. And then, of course, top it off with whipped cream. And then top chocolate syrup. There you have the perfect booze hot chocolate. Second hot drinks is Snow White hot chocolate. It's definitely interesting and very seasonal, with the peppermint and white chocolate flavors always hitting perfectly every year. I have here the white chocolate. For the white chocolate, I would say 1 tablespoon. Here we're going to use RumChata. Pour 2 ounces of RumChata, add 1 ounce of peppermint schnapps and 3 ounces of hot milk. Let's make everything very good. Top with whipped cream and add some crushed peppermints on top. And there you have the perfect hot booze white chocolate. And third but not least, it's hot Buttered Rum. This is one of my favorite cocktails. The mix of flavor and spices make it smells like holiday. Let's start with the butter. We need 2 blocks of butter. Let's turn this on. Add your butter. Then we add 2 cups of brown sugar. Add 1 more cup of brown sugar and gently stir. Add 1/4 cup honey. Add 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground clove, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of salt, and then mix everything together until the brown sugar dissolves. Now the butter is ready. You can store it in a jar, put it in the fridge, and then you can use it for your hot butter rum anytime. And then transfer the hot butter in the jar. Store the hot butter in the jar. Perfect. And there you have for some good cocktail. After your butter is done, get a glass and add 2 ounces of the butter, 2 ounces of dark rum or spiced rum. Now let's add 3 ounces of very hot water. Stir everything and then add some whipped cream. Perfect hot buttered rum. And that's all, guys. 3 amazing hot Christmas cocktail. If you like my cocktail recipes, I tag my book with 246 cocktail recipes available in both ebook and paperback edition. If you want more winter drinks, let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.